always ensure that we prepare ourselves as much as possible. Make sure that we fight. But at the end of the day, the political wave is very clear. There is a positive wave for the National People's Party, and the opposition is seen to disintegrate day by day. And hence, in that political scenario, I see the trend that NPP is heading towards getting an absolute majority, and we're confident that we will.
With what issues you are moving ahead?
Sorry?
With what issues you are moving ahead?
We are moving ahead with the development work that we've done in the last 5 years, and overall the kind of work that has happened in the different sectors that is there, and the fact that now that the foundation has been laid, that it is time to take things forward now to the next level, and the continuity is important to ensure that we're able to achieve those goals that we have in the future.
Sir, whom do you think will be the main
It all depends on the constituency. It's based on area wise. In different areas, there's different sections and different parties. So it's different in all areas.
Well, as the day of election is drawing nearer, war of words is escalating between Mukul Sangma and you. Yesterday, he has made a very startling fact that you are making racial comments, which is uncivilized. What do you have to say on it?
I never made any racial comments. In fact, the only thing I said was that TMC is a party that is based out of West Bengal, and that's a fact. There's nothing wrong with it. Number two, I've said that it's an outsider party, based on the fact that the analogy where Madam Mamata Banerjee herself had said in the last West Bengal elections that BJP and other national parties are outside parties. So I was said that if that same yardstick is applied to Meghalaya, then with those yardsticks which Mamata Banerjee herself had mentioned in her speech in the elections, then TMC is an outside party. There's nothing racial about that.
One more question you have raised about the contesting from Sansar and Tigripil and not from Ampati. Redline also he has replied that who are you to question me? What do you have to say?
So I never questioned. I went to Tigripil and the people of Tigripil are questioning it. So in my speech, if you go through my speech, I said the people of Tigripil told me that when he's going to go in campaign and ask for the vote, they will ask him that Allah likelihood he may not win either one, but if he wins both of them, then will he leave Songsa or will he leave Tigripil? The people of Tigripil want to know, and I only expressed what the people of Tigripil had expressed to me, and I shared it with the rest of the people in July.
Well, South Tura constituency is the hot seat this time, so how do you see the battle? On the other hand, it's Bernard Marat, and there is a new face from TMC, Richard Marat.
We have done a lot of work in South Tura, and the work in South Tura can be clearly seen with the kind of development works that have taken place. I'm sure that people, after seeing the kind of work that has taken place, will repose their faith. But of course, that does not mean that we take things for granted. I, as a candidate, I have to look at this as a proper election and work hard. But I'm very sure I'm getting very positive signals and vibes from every meeting, every locality that I'm going to. In the last 5 years, the kind of roads that have been made in the internal localities of Tura, the kind of work that has happened over the water supply scheme, the different kind of large infrastructural projects, the beautification of Tura that has taken place, the different kind of street lighting that has come up all over the place. These are real things that have happened at the grassroots level, and people of South Tura have seen it. So I'm sure that they will give us another chance to work.
One last question. There was an impressive moment when you were going to file the nomination paper. Richard was coming out and you shook hands with him.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, elections come and go, but as a society, we all respect each other, and there's always a positive relationship, and we maintain that relationship. So it's nice. I wish him luck, and let's hope for the best.
Sir, TMC indicate that after elections, the Darangba majority Manzaniva visually indicate that UDP they are not averse to align with them. Now, some meaning between
See, elections today, my results will be the Darambaka Namacha. Never the other petted me, that NPP full majority again. Aro Makanchi coalition situation, coalition about overall political party, the other coalition government. Even Makanchi, options for results strong.
Mukul came out again, Chief Minister commented Bengali party, majority comments.
See, number one, our Mamang Solova Vishnu racially discriminate culture. Our party West Bengali party, Unu Mamang Walani TMC West Bengali based party, which headquarters West Bengal. It's a fact. When you Mamang racial line, Kandigapa, our Mamang Solova Bengali party, kan ke party West Bengal so ni man ya fact wa aro dalo TMC party north east ko mamluta based cha leaders ang join kainga deba organization based namin so ya facts no kusam yu mention nagari makba chhe ke cha
ni kemung dau Bernard tonga BJP ni John Leslie tonga ni kemung critical wa Mijar ang state nang nang ni connect sa sam box na main fight onggen
da naman sa ode public tin chapos again but overall vision criticism na ko mandirang na agani actually that Conrad Michael so yang ba si mo ni sepo deba South Tura ni mandirang siya last 5 years ni sepo South Tura namin tangha South Tura di Pakpata locality ni Ramarang Kuchka Thari Ujo Chka water supply scheme ni through tang localities from Chka ngani chirang Kuchka pipe nang kutikyo na ha chingkirang Kucho Chka street lights nang kutikyo na han tong ya pramo Tura ni beautification nang Kuchka machocho kung nakit tang sa development ni kamera ku Tura na kragatan diang pa bulsi mo ni kise Kuchka rakyo unig man kadung singa ye election no public ye kamera ku ke sathai ye election no NPP na bangni candidate na vote ko ke thank you so much